4A, and we did 1 through 3 and 8. Excuse me. What page is this on? All right. This should have been pretty simple, right? Okay. The numbers 3 and 5 are marked by crosses on the horizontal line below. Find the average of the two numbers and mark it by an arrow. Where is that going to be? It's going to be halfway in between 3 and 5, which would be 4. And mathematically, you can figure that out. 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. Okay. What if we have 3, 5, and 5? So now we have a 3 and a 5, and we have 1, 3, and we have 2 5s. Well, 3 plus 5 is 13. Divide that by 3, and you get 4.3, right? Okay. So here's 4. My new average is right there. Why did it move to the right? There's more weight to the right than there used to be. Okay? Two numbers are shown by crosses on a horizontal axis. Draw an arrow pointing to their average. The average is going to be right in the middle. Okay? And that's true no matter what numbers you're looking at. They could be negative or positive, or one of them could be 0, but the average is always right in the middle of any two numbers. A list has 10 entries. Each entry is either 1, 2, or 3. What must the list be if the average is 1? Has to all be 1s. How come? If you had any number bigger than 1, it's going to pull the average to the right. Okay? What if the average is 3? They're all 3s, and can the average be 4? No, why not? Because the average cannot be bigger than the numbers in the list. Okay? Pretty simple. Which of the following two lists has a bigger average, or they are the same? Try to do it without using any arithmetic. What do you think? Number 2, because it's the identical list plus 11, and that 11 is going to push the average to the right. Okay, number 8. Systolic blood pressure is considered a better indicator of heart trouble than systolic pressure. The figure below shows a whole bunch of information. True or false? The data shows that as men age, their systolic blood pressure increases until about 45 or so, and then decreases. So the graph looks like this, right? And then this is 45. Okay? Does it mean that as you get older, your blood pressure goes down? No, we know that's true, that your blood pressure goes up. So what's really happening here? People are dying. Which people? Not the old people. The high blood pressure people, right? So the people with this sort of blood pressure tend to stay alive. The people up here don't live very much beyond 45. Does that make sense? And when you have a list of numbers and you start knocking off the people that have high numbers, what happens to your average? It goes down. All right, that is all of A.